Do you want to learn how to create thumbnails like Mr. Beast with AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. We're going to be using this tool called Pikzels to create thumbnails like Mr. Beast with AI. So this is a website of Pikzels and you can create thumbnails like these and they all look really good. Now make sure to click the link in the description to head over to this website, and then once you're on the website, you'll find that you can try it for free. You can generate your first 5 thumbnails for free. You do not have to give them credit card. Now these are the pricing plans on Pikzels. You can choose any one of them, and if you decide to buy any one of these plans, I may get a small commission. Now once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the Pikzels dashboard. Over here, click on new chat, and inside it, click on recreate. And here you need to link to a thumbnail or YouTube video, or you can upload that thumbnail directly. What we are going to do is go to YouTube and then search for Mr. Beast, and here is his channel. Choose one which you want to recreate. For example, this one, I have it opened up over here. On the right, I have vidIQ, which I'm using. Inside it, you can also see all the thumbnail changes that they have made before and the recent thumbnail. You can right click this to save image to your computer, or you can also see all of these thumbnail changes that they have created. So you can click on them and download those thumbnails to your computer as well. Now, once you've done, head over to your Pikzels dashboard here, click on recreate again, and instead of link, you can click on upload and upload a file. You can go either way. I'm going to upload the file. Now our thumbnail is uploaded and we're going to select the inspiration weight. I'm going to make it high. And if you want to make some changes on this thumbnail when it's recreated, you can do that. But I'm just going to select on generate for this. And each time you generate, it's going to take in 10 credits out of your total balance. And now the recreate has been done, and it kind of looks similar to the one from Mr. Beast. This is high. We can make it medium. So watch what happens when we click on medium. It's going to keep the elements around, but it's going to make it completely different in medium. And if you make it low, it's going to completely change the thumbnail again, but keep the elements like this. It looks totally different from what Mr. Beast has created, but it also looks original and unique. Now what you can do is, instead of using this face, we can do a face swap. So click here. It's going to take in 3 credits. Let's click here and upload your own face. For example, I'm going to upload my own image and try it. Click on generate. Now the face swap has been done. It does look a little bit like me, but not exactly me. Now what you can do is keep doing the face swap. It's just going to take in 3 credits. Keep trying again and again, and you will get it right. Now once you're done with this, click on download, and it's going to download this image to your computer. And just like this, you can recreate any thumbnail on YouTube with the help of Pikzels. Now, like I said before, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to check out their pricing on Pikzels. Make sure to sign up with my link in the description and buy one of these plans, which will help me with a small commission. And if you found the video helpful, let me know with a like and comment.